Hello everyone, friends. Waller is in the frame. Today I will show you how to increase the amount of RAM, yes, available on a PC or laptop. I'll show you three basic ways. The first is to go to the Task Manager and filter out the processes by using RAM for a start. Here we click here, Memory, yes, and remove all the processes that eat up a lot of RAM. That's it. That's the way it is. Here and respectively A, and then you need to make sure that these processes do not start again next time. To do this, go to the application with automatic launch and here filter by status and disable the applications that you do not need. Next, another way is to go to settings, go to the system, scroll down. Here there is, oh yes, about the device and click advanced system settings. Here and here we have such a thing as performance, yes, productivity. Go in and accordingly, if you need the maximum performance from the computer, then select everything for the best performance and click apply. After that, of course, the computer will look a little cardboard, there will be less animation, but there will be better smoothness. That's it. Well, in general, it's all simple. Waller was with you. Subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.